Hello, my name is Milla van de Berg. I am the CEO and co-founder of Kindy Days. I'm an early education specialist from Finland, and I've worked within the field for over 15 years. The Kindy Days curriculum partnership package includes three modules: the Kindy Days Academy, which is teacher training, the playful lesson plans and the digital tools, as well as then the marketing and operations support. The Kindy Days Academy is a professional development program built around live online workshops led by an experienced education specialist from Finland. These sessions are designed to help your team of teachers understand and implement the Finnish approach to early childhood education in a way that is both practical and relevant to your local context. The workshops cover key areas such as the foundations of the Finnish play-based learning model, supporting holistic development across different learning areas, assessment of playful learning, and strategies for building strong collaboration between school and home. Each session is interactive with real examples and hands-on activities that teachers can try immediately in their own classrooms. There is also space for discussion, reflection, and asking questions. The goal is to give your team both inspiration and practical tools they need for implementing the methods and practices and staying true to the core values of Finnish early education. After finishing the 25-hour program, your team will be given a diploma on Finnish early childhood pedagogy. In Finnish early childhood education, the focus is never just in academics. Instead, learning is seen as a holistic process where each area of a child's development is equally important and deeply interconnected. What you see here are the five broad learning areas defined in the Finnish national curriculum, each one supporting different aspects of a child's growth. We start with the rich world of languages, which would be the language and literacy in global terms, including not only speaking and comprehension, but also interactive and expressive language skills. Then we have aesthetic and cultural development, where children explore through music, art, movement, and creative expression. The social and emotional development is supported through themes like identity, community, values, and ethics, helping children understand themselves and their place in the world. In the fourth section, that's related to the cognitive development, children engage with numbers, logical thinking, and also learn to explore their environment through science, nature, and even basic technology. And finally, the physical development, where movement, health, safety, and food education come together to support the child's physical well-being. Together, these learning areas create NEP 2020 aligned curriculum that parents trust and children love. In Finland, early childhood education and care places strong emphasis on developing children's transversal competencies through everyday pedagogy. These competencies bring together not only knowledge and skills, but also values, attitudes, and the will to learn. At the heart of transversal competencies is the idea that learning should not stay in the classroom. Children should be able to apply what they learn in different situations, guided by the values and attitudes they are building along the way. The illustration gives a closer look at the 6 transversal competence areas in the Finnish early childhood education. We have created hundreds of lesson plans to inspire the teachers around the world to run play-based lessons. They are based on the 5 learning areas and transversal competencies of the Finnish national curriculum. The lesson plans emphasize holistic development, including themes with sub-themes covering 160 days of teaching. With goal-oriented, activity-based experiential lessons, your preschool can deliver high-quality learning experiences based on the best practices from Finland, helping you stand out as a trusted education provider. Our academic calendar is built around 8 themes. In each theme, we offer content for 3 levels of learners, usually following these age groups. For our customers in India, we also offer an option to order books in Maths, English, Environmental Studies and Hindi for pre-primary 1, 2 and 3. The books are aligned with Indian national education policy and framework, supporting interaction and active learning. Here you can see an example of a weekly program combining your local books with a daily Finnish playful learning session. We offered the plans for 40 weeks, underlining experiential learning methods and holistic development. The curriculum partnership package also includes Kindyday's digital tools, including the educator and family apps, as well as the manager web admin. The platform especially supports assessment of learning as well as collaboration with the families. With the Kindyday's Educator app, the teachers observe and document the children's learning moments with pictures, videos, comments, and notes. The documentation of activities is directly tagged to the curriculum's learning objectives. This way, the educators can ensure that though the learning is playful, the learning objectives are met. Cooperation between home and daycare is crucial in the early years. It secures children's overall well-being and enhances their early development. With Kindydays, learning moments and progress is shared with parents in real time. You can export and share different automatically compiled reports, such as the portfolio. Portfolio is a purposeful, organized collection of evidence that demonstrate a child's knowledge, skills, and abilities. Another example of an automatically compiled report is the learning report, showing where each child is at their learning path. Through the Manager admin, you can also view and export learning and teaching statistics to ensure consistent quality. Other features include in-app messaging, attendance tracking, daily reports, and more. Included in the marketing support, we offer a certificate of partnership, tailor-made promotional video sharing about our partnership, a complete marketing kit, and biannual parent orientations where we speak to your parents about the benefits of the curriculum for their child's learning. As part of the operational support, your new teachers may also attend the training cohorts anytime through membership in Kindydays Academy. Kindydays has been delivered to more than 30 countries. We are trusted by forward-thinking preschools across India and the world. Our partners are already seeing the difference. With stronger teacher competence, increased learning of happy children, satisfied parents, boosted brand image, and increasing admissions. We look forward to collaborating with you next.